Yes, my people, welcome back to the Mac 4K World Tour. Yeah, we are going to give you a tour from downtown Mobay City straight on to Blue Diamond. Yes. Yes. So this is Orange Street right here.
Continue on Orange Street for 3/4 of a mile.
Yes. Okay. Hey guys, this is Cornell College over here. Yes. Yeah. So we have two, we can go right or we can go up the hill, don't it? Alright, let's take this road and see if we're on the right track. So guys, trying to take the back road to go into Blue Diamond, like going to Norwood and those places. Yeah. So I'm not 100% sure of this road, so I'm trying to use the GPS. Yeah.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Paradise Crescent.
Okay. That's what the GPS told me to do. Turn left onto Paradise Crossing. Wow.
Turn left onto Paradise Crescent, then turn right to stay on Paradise Crescent.
Okay, turn left.
Turn right to stay on Paradise Crescent.
Okay, turn right here.
In a 1/4 mile, turn right onto Norwood Avenue.
Okay, so we're going to Norwood Avenue. All right. So guys, when you're in Jamaica and you don't know where, just put on your GPS and just use it, and it will take you right to your destination. You know? Yeah. Okay. Norwood Avenue. So this is the one. Now
In a quarter mile, turn right to stay on Hart Boulevard.
wow, the road bad up here. Wow. What's that one? Wow, some nice house up here. Wow, look up there, guys. Look at that house on the hill there. Wow. Tell you, Jamaica is paradise. Look at that. Oh, look at this pink one here. Okay. Yeah, for this road there. Wow, some nice house up here, man.
Turn right to stay on Hart Boulevard.
Okay, thank you. Okay, welcome to Paradise Norwood. See that? So we are in Norwood, so we're gonna turn right here. Stay on Hart Boulevard. Okay,
Continue for 3 miles.
okay. So guys, we are in Norwood now. Wow. So some nice house in Norwood here.
In 600 feet, turn left onto Middle Road.
Okay. What is it now? Norwood Basic School over there, guys? Yeah.
Turn left onto Middle Road.
Okay, guys. So we continue our tour onto.
In a quarter mile, turn left toward Norwood Gardens Boulevard.
Okay. Wow. Look over on the left there, guys. Jamaica is very beautiful. Yeah. Wait a chip out. Wait a Ocean Ridge Brownwood Estate, so yeah. So this is the upper class of Norwood over here, guys. Yeah. Go it, we go straight. So we now with our people. So you have the soldier camp over in Norwood here. Yeah. This vessel is serious too, my people. Oh, you see, they have a soldier camp here. They have a check here out here, so I'll turn off the camera to go to the check here right out here. Yes, guys, just come through the check here where you have the soldiers. So I'll continue the tour. And now the area here, this area looking nice. Yes, so we're heading towards Blue Diamond. Wow, nice view over there, guys. Yeah. So wow, some nice house over here. Look at that. Okay guys, so on your right there, that is the new bypass. Okay guys, so we're pretty close to Blue Diamond now. Yeah, so this is the project for the bypass road from the Blue Diamond straight into Montego Bay, bypass Montego Bay. Yeah. So this is it over here. Yeah.
In 800 feet at the roundabout, take the first exit onto Morgan Road.
Okay guys, so we are in Iron Shore now. Wow, look at that beautiful house on the right here, on the left. Yeah. Guys, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give you a short view of Iron Shore area here before I go to
Exit the
Blue Diamond.
roundabout onto Morgan Road.
Before I go to Blue Diamond, yes. Give you a view of the beautiful house around the area here. Yeah.
Continue for 400 feet.
Look at that one there, guys. Wow. Yeah. Okay, just turn up here and just give you a short preview. Just
Exit the roundabout onto Morgan Road.
wow, nice house over here. Oh, look at that one here, guys. Oh. This is a new one going on up there. It looks like it's an apartment right there. Wow. Okay, so we continue back on our tour to Bloom Diamond now, guys. All right, yeah. We are in Blue Diamond Iron Shore. So on the right over there, that is Fairview. No, that is Witter Village. Over on the right there, guys. That is Witter Village Plaza. Yeah. And on your left here is Blue Diamonds. Okay, yeah. So thanks for watching again, guys. Thanks for your support. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright. Yeah. This is a real Montego Bay, my people.